Travel TV had a detailed discussion with Faith Secretary General Subhash Goyal on burning issues. Here are some highlights.
Unfortunately, we got a lot of sympathy, but no concrete result. We have asked for tax concessions, but nothing concrete we have received. We wanted, there was a moratorium which was there for 3 months. Unfortunately, 31st August, that moratorium is over. And now whatever we have to pay with the interest. Our DGCA is doing a great job, but they are not as strong as DGCA in Japan or DGCA in Pakistan or DGCA in other countries, even in Australia, where they are forcing the same airline which are giving zero commission to give commission in those countries. So that is one thing. So partly apart from ITA, I think our government is also to be blamed. But unfortunately, by taking a back seat, ITA is committing suicide. I must, through your channel, thank the Honorable Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Hardeep Puri, who has started these air bubbles for Europe, USA, UK. These air bubbles are very important, but it is very important that by 1st of October, all international flights should start. I have requested the government, not only through Faith, but also in my personal capacity, that, at least 25% of the railway should start. Because from north, south, east, west, the country needs to be connected. And I'm happy that the government is thinking in these directions. But the sooner they do it, the better it is. All the trade associations may or may not agree with it. But I am very sad today. I am wearing this black band as there is nothing to celebrate today. So it is a black day in the history of India. I am not mourning just the tourism industry. I am mourning the economy of this country. I'll keep this black band until things open up and things restart. So this is a personal resolution I have made. It is not a reflection on the tourism ministry or the civil aviation ministry. They are trying their best to help us.